So in this video, I just want to show you something that is of convenience. For example, here I'm logged in as this user called Ella Davison. This is my post. So here, if I go ahead and try to like this post, you see that it's our post. But if you go to the table in notifications here, we're actually recording this notification, which means we're going to be notified if we like our own post saying this user has liked your post. But that's not convenient, so let's go take care of that so we can prevent notifications from coming to us if it's our own post. If we comment or like our post, we should not get notified. Alright, so now if we go back to our code, you can simply go to the app Livewire post item. Alright, for now we're only working with this post item. If you want, you can actually expand this functionality by adding this notifying code to other components of the application or the project. So here, let's just add if the post user, here this post, in the post table, we have user ID. Okay, here we want to check if the post user ID is not equals to the auth ID. Then we can notify this user. Okay, this is to just prevent the auth user from notifying themselves if the post belongs to them. Alright, let's just copy this same if statement. Let's go to here when toggle post like. Inside this if statement, I'm gonna add this and add a closing bracket there. Awesome. Now this, let's go ahead and try this. Now if you guys just refresh our page. Alright, so right here we already like this, which means we already created a notification for us. So let's go ahead and just delete this notification. I'm using table plus. If you're using PHP you can simply delete the record too, like that. Now if we go back, let's just unlike this and like it again. You see that if we go and refresh, nothing will be shown because this is our post. Or if I go down and then try to comment saying hello, and we go, nothing should show up here because this post belongs to us. But if we go down, for example, this post, and like this post, go to our notifications, refresh, you see that the notification is actually being recorded because we have prevented us from notifying ourselves if the post belongs to us. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. And like I said, in here we are doing this notifying functionality only in the post item just to make the video consolidated and short. But it's just an example. You can go ahead and add this notifying in other parts of the code where we are triggering actions. But for now, this is just a basic security check and also for convenience. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.